So today I'm going to try and resurface and repaint some of my weights. Be using very harsh chemicals and power tools. And I don't know what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm going to be taking this old weight set. Now, this is my my 45. It's seen some better days. It's got some rust on it. It's got some chips on it. I got it for free, so you get what you pay for. Breaking my table here. So I'm going to be taking this. I'm going to be trying to get this rust and paint off of it. I'll be using a little bit of this chemical stripper and some aggressive wire brushing. And then once all that's done, we're going to be hitting it with a coat of this, the hammered enamel looking stuff. So hopefully when we're done, this will match the rest of my weights. I'm also going to try and finish up and paint the J-hooks that we made in a previous video. And so let's get started. So first things being last, let's go ahead and try and get this stripper open. Cool beans. Okay, so safety tip, use gloves. I don't have any. Don't do what I do. All right, I am in a well-ventilated area. I got the big doors open, so whew, I can smell this already. This is gonna be fun. So when impossible, you should use gloves. I mean, paint stripper, I mean, this is, ooh, it's jelly. That's gonna be fun. So we're just gonna apply some of this. Like so. Now we're going to take a rag that we don't plan on ever using again for anything else. We're just going to spread the love. Spread the love. Alrighty. Cool. Hey, look. It's already starting to come up. So we're going to do both of those. Come back.
Later. Seven hours later.
We're going to hit this up with a little alcohol to get it nice and clean so the paint sticks to it best it can. Get as much residue off of this thing as possible. Because, you know, metal parts, they come with grease. They come with an oil coating to prevent rust while they're in storage. So I'm also going to be taking this here. I'm going to be taking a piece of rubber and we're going to be attaching it there. And then if we have any left over, we'll try and attach it here as well.
later. Much later. Fifteen minutes later.
Okay, and so here's our finished product. You can see we got rubber to help protect the knurling. No gap there. It's pretty cool. And I think I did a pretty good job. Let's grab this one right here. I think we did a pretty good job matching the blue that came with our Rep Fitness bench. Well, that's it for today's video. It's pretty cool what you can do with a couple dollars, like 15 bucks worth of spray paint, guys. And we got brand new weights. Check it out, totally brand new weights, brand new J-hooks. Go ahead and check out my other video where I do a strength test on these compared to the old J-hooks. Way better, in my opinion. I'm a little biased because I made them. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and do the, like, subscribe, do the bell thing, and help out the channel. And until next time, see you later.